Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of the walkthrough series, and this video we're gonna cover the drop. So in this drop, the basic pluck sound that we had in the intro, kick, snares, tambourines and claps and all. The thing is with the melodies. So now these melodies that I have made, these are from a preset pack in Serum. There's this flute sound. So the thing with this is portamento. I've played with that a lot. It's creating that bouncy feeling in the track. So that's not so that it doesn't sound monotonous. Yeah. So I think you should try something new with yours. I hope you'll land somewhere. Then there's the bass. There's a lot of layering going on here. White noise, just a very small white noise. You can see right here, a very small white noise, so that the bass, it's more prominent. Yeah, that's for the drop.